Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into some intense body camera footage. Remember, everyone you'll see is innocent until proven guilty in a court of law. The facts are as I know them. Let's jump right in.
Alright, so a few weeks ago, I had a visit from DCF, and I've tried to keep you guys up to date on what's happening, but to fill you in now, here's the body camera footage from the night that DCF called the police because I was apparently aggressive. Well, enjoy the footage, like, share, and subscribe. Got anything in the comments, please don't be afraid to say.
Hi, Miss Williams.
Yes.
Hi. What's going on?
Well, we got a case, and we came out to speak to Dad.
Okay.
When we came out, he was just coming back with the girls. We explained why we were here. So he said, "Can we get the groceries in, and then we can let you come in?" We said, "Okay, yeah, sure, fine." And so he went in. We sat outside, talked to the neighbor because the dog was out here. Thought everything was gonna be cool. Got inside. Once we got
Hello.
inside.
Hey, what's going on? How you doing?
I'm good, man. How you doing?
I'm all right.
That's not it.
No, I know.
Oh, okay.
I know.
All right.
That's fine. He's fine.
You're being a little aggressive. We got to call for somebody to help us as well.
Sergeant Herzog, go.
How you doing, Mr. Armstrong?
Good, how you doing?
Can I talk to Steve real quick? Is that okay? Is it okay if I go up there and talk to Steve? Is he outside or is he inside?
He's watching his kids when he's out there.
I know. I try to be respectful, though, man. You know
Yeah,
that.
he's right there.
How's it going?
Good, man.
This lady, I invited her in, and I wanted to show her around real quick, and then she started asking me to sign some things, and so I called my friends because I've never dealt with DCF.
I'm 100%. I understand that. She just got nervous because she didn't know what was going on when people started showing up. Because when it comes to kids, people are emotional. You know that. He knows that. When it comes to kids, people are emotional.
Yeah.
So that's why they call
my
us.
girls.
Dude, I don't doubt that. I don't doubt
Well,
that.
she said there's allegations of I abuse my children, and I'm like,
Okay, that I have no idea about.
That's where I would get, if it was me, that's what I was
that's
saying.
where I
If
got
that's me,
upset.
That would,
I thought it was like a welfare check, but she's saying allegations of a child abuse.
So, can I ask you a question? And again, I'm trying to just... Can she come up and talk to you? Is that okay while we're here? Is that okay?
Absolutely.
Or would
She's
you
welcome. She's been welcome.
Okay. I mean, and the only reason why is that it's okay if I just hang out here for a minute as
Please.
well? I'll get you the P
Absolutely.
number. I'll get you guys whatever you want because we do have a call for service.
She doesn't think I'm a safe person, but again, she doesn't know me like you guys do.
Well, and that's just it. But again, this is probably part of their protocol where a lot of times they will call us for an escort or a standby.
Understood.
And so, I mean, I'm be happy to get you the P number when this is all
Yeah,
done.
except I just got groceries. I got 5 guys in there, and these guys are messing up. The girls are like crying, like this is ridiculous.
This is not what you wanted for your. Is it Thursday?
Yeah,
it's
tomorrow.
Thursday. Miss Williams. So, Mr. Sanders, we do know Mr. Sanders. He's not violent, but if we want to go up there, that way you can go ahead and start talking to him, get the procedures done. We'll hang out if you're good with that.
Sure.
As long as they're good with that, you're good with that. We'll get it moving.
That's fine.
All we can do is kind of just do a standby.
That's
you know
fine.
that.
That's all we need you. We just don't want people showing up. Like he's telling us all these people to come over.
The other gentleman over there is somebody who we've also known for a long time, not violent, anything like that, but he's just...
But
Again,
there was like 4 people on one call.
Oh, okay. I thought you meant 4 people showed up here.
No,
and
he told them to
that's
come over. That's why we was like, okay, why are these 4 people coming over?
I think part of it is he's like, I didn't expect this and I don't know what to do when DCF shows up and says, we're investigating you. He's a dad. I get it. I can see both ends. But I also explained to him y'all are doing your job.
That's why we thought it was, when he came up, we said, hey, we'll hang out here until you're ready for us, whenever you're ready. And then when we went in, we thought it was going to be smooth because he seemed like, okay, we could.
He's not a bad guy. He's not a bad guy. Is it Mrs. Williams or Miss Williams? Which one? Mrs. Williams. Is that okay to call you that?
Yes,
and I
sure.
apologize. I didn't.
No problem.
I'll just say, ma'am, if that's okay for the moment, or whatever you prefer. Come on.
And this is my new trainee, so she's shaking. I was like, oh yeah.
You're good. I will say this. He records everything, but it's not wrong. He's allowed to do that, and he's not a bad guy. He's not.
You have your right.
Yep. He's not rude or nasty or anything like that. He's 100% allowed to record, and we encourage people to know their rights.
Plus, it's my property.
Right. But it's your rights, yeah. So, Steve, is it okay to say Steve?
Yeah.
Steve, this is Mrs. Williams. She's going to just go ahead and talk. I'm going to stand over here if that's okay, and that way you two can converse, figure out what you need to do.
As you can tell, these 2 know me. I don't have any. They have no concerns for your safety, so I don't think you should either. Nor do they have any concerns for my kids' safety. So I think you should.
Oh, you're good.
I can try not blocking your view, man.
No, I'm not. I'm not actively even. It's just in case, that's all.
If you want to, go right ahead. You know we are.
Oh
so
yeah,
that's
oh yeah.
fine.
No, yeah, definitely.
Again, you're making allegations that, like, those are my babies. You understand? Like, you're saying that there's allegations of potential abuse, and when I offer to show you my home, you say, wait. And I'm offering you in my home, and you're giving me a hard time. So then when I'm getting a little nervous, and I call for somebody to make sure that I'm covered, if God forbid something happens, so that those girls are squared away, like, who did I call? Their mom? Right when I said, let me call their mom first, because that's a responsible thing. So now what is it that you need from me till we can end this conversation so I can go back in with my children?
Okay, and let's explain this exactly how it happened, because you did all of that, but what you're not explaining is...
So, I need to document it for my own safety because I have nothing to hide.
Oh, no problem. No problem at all.
By the way, these are my daughters. This is Tara. We just got done with the groceries. So before we go any further, why are you guys here?
Okay, so we received an allegation.
Okay.
It was for concerns about your daughters, both of them, that probably they have the way that you're disciplining them, both of them. That's why we're here.
Did you see her face?
No, yeah. She's like, what?
I don't discipline them at all.
Yeah, I see that. Yeah, they're totally fine. So they are.
You're welcome to check the house. Their whole upstairs is theirs to look at. They have the whole playroom. Here, come on, let's.
Wait. Let's slow down a little bit first. Let's slow down first.
You gotta understand. You gotta understand. Somebody has made an allegation against me.
Mm-hmm.
Being a dad, I take, and these girls know, I take the literal. This is like the most important job I have in my entire life is being a father. So I take a very big offense to even the fact that somebody made a report and a potential allegation, because I can 100% assure you that it's false. Entirety. So I look forward to it because I'm going to be filing a complaint against whoever filed that.
Okay.
I'm assuming it's anonymous.
But let me explain this to you. Anybody can make a report to the 100 Reviews hotline. It happens.
Yes, but you guys are here.
It's our job to come out and prove or disprove the allegations. That's why we're here.
Understood.
You have that right. And so I told you to slow down because we want to give you everything that we're supposed to give you before we start doing things. So I know you want to tell us everything, let us know what's going on, and show us who you are as a parent, and we're ready.
No, I just want to. I just got Five Guys, so I want to eat dinner.
Yeah.
And I want to get this over with because I have nothing to hide.
Okay, can we sit here? You can have your dinner while we sit here, but we would need to give you this paperwork and explain everything.
Okay, well, can you guys pick a different? Can you guys pick a different time?
We can, but if you want us to hurry and get it done real fast, so we can do it.
Ladies, once you guys go sit at the table, and we'll get you guys set up for dinner.
Okay.
And then I'll join you guys afterwards. Okay.
All right. So can we use this right here?
Yeah, absolutely.
Do you have a pen or something? Can I slide this right over here?
Absolutely.
Okay, so you want me to know everything that you have the right to, and all of that. So we're gonna explain it to you and have you understand what we're here for, and we'll try to wrap it up as fast as we can for you.
Should I get their mom involved?
I mean, you can talk to her.
Get your mom on the phone.
But let me first give this to you first.
Because we're divorced.
Okay.
So there's a co-parent household.
Okay. So this is what we call our rights and responsibilities pamphlet.
Okay.
It talks about the investigation, talks about our job and what it entails. We're going to leave this with you. You have ample enough time to read through it. Read any information. You have any questions or concerns, give us a call and we can answer any questions you may have. This is also what we call HIPAA. Talks about confidentiality. We can't release any information to anyone without giving you prior knowledge that we're releasing that information. We're going to leave that with you as well. You can read it, answer any questions or concerns that you have afterwards as well. Now,
So DCF is here at the house because allegations of my parenting. So I just
I'm asking you a couple questions. Do you have any American or Alaskan Native American ancestry?
I'm not going to answer any questions.
When I told you to wait, I said because there's things we have to do procedurally, and I provided you documents, and the only thing I'm asking you to sign is that I gave you those documents, and if you explain those things, I'm going to give you a copy of everything you will be signing and why you were signing it. I didn't have you sign anything to say you did anything. I just said that these are the documents that I didn't make any allegations. I'm coming to investigate allegations. I don't make allegations.
Understood.
And I told you we're here to either prove or disprove what we have is true.
Williams.
And for us to do that, we have to ask you the questions to prove or disprove it. And I explained that to you earlier. When you said, let's go upstairs, I said, hold on.
But what is this?
I said, hold on, let us finish so I can explain to you the papers that I gave you.
You guys see that
and
she's
I
talking?
just need you to sign here. That's it, that I gave you those papers. That's all.
Okay, what else do you need from me then? Do you need to examine the girls? I mean, what else?
I will need them, but I just wanted to see if you wanted to, the papers that I already gave you in your house, that I gave you those papers, so you're refusing to sign that we gave you those papers. And if that's a refusal, it's fine. I can accept that as a refusal, that you're not going to say that. And
I said I want to look at them, and I'm allowed to do that, right?
And I gave them to you.
But I have to take time. I have kids in there. I have to take time to read through everything. Is that not allowed?
That's fine. You can do whatever you want.
Am I not allowed to read it?
You can do whatever you want. I just gave you the papers.
What else do you need from me?
Now, let me tell you more about the allegations, if that's what you're ready to hear. Since we gotten that part out, we'll take it as a refusal. She explained to you that we were here because there were concerns that the children were being disciplined, that there were being marks or bruises left on the children. There's also concerns that you may be using drugs. There's also concerns that the home is not in good condition, deplorable conditions. The children go to school, that they're not clean, they're dirty, they have their hairs that need to be washed.
Holy cow.
And we're here just to find out what's actually going on. So we're giving you the opportunity to let us know what's going on.
You got it.
Now, if this was the time you wanted to show me the house and everything,
You already saw it.
I'm ready to do that.
Was it clean?
Sir, I don't know because
You
I
saw
got a
it.
little scared
Just
because
so
you
you guys
started
all
calling people.
See how clean that
and
is?
You haven't let us see what we need to see, sir.
To look at, they had the whole playroom. Here, come on, let's.
Wait, let's
No,
slow
no,
down
no.
a little bit
No, no.
first. Let's slow down first. Let us
You gotta
finish it.
understand. You gotta understand.
I don't know what else
I
to
tried
do.
offering you guys a time to come in.
But I wanted to explain to you the process before we did that.
And now
so
bruises,
I just
where are the
asked you to
bruises
slow
at?
down. I don't know because you haven't let us see the
And
girls.
you said that they're dirty.
Because their bruises are supposed to be on your back. Haven't let us see the girls.
And you said that they're dirty.
Haven't let us see the girls.
What do you mean I haven't let you see the girls? Girls, come here, please.
These are my daughters. This is.
Girls, come here.
Boy, this is dirty that people can anonymously do that.
These ladies would like to check you guys for bruises.
Any complaint, they have to
And I guess-
investigate.
Right,
You know.
but it's a dirty,
I mean, the problem is any complaint, you know, they have to investigate.
What are you saying?
And we're not involved in this. This is DCF.
Oh, no, I got you. Yeah, no, that's what I'm saying. It's a dirty thing to do.
Okay. And we just wanted to make sure that you don't have any marks or bruises on you or any injuries or things of that sort, okay?
The
All right,
hair's,
and we just want to
the
make sure
hair's
that you
curled.
guys are safe, okay? All right? All right.
You want to come in and check the shower? Do you guys want to come check their bed playrooms, their bedrooms?
Whatever you want me to do,
Well,
sir.
I
at
need
this
to know
point,
so
I
we
just-
can move forward. Because
When
I
I
want
tell
to
you
get
what I
back.
need to do is just combat them. Whatever you want to show me, whatever you need me to
Tell
know.
me what you need to see.
I just told you the entire allegation.
Hey, you saw them. Are there
Whatever
bruises? Do
you
you see
want.
any bruises?
We're looking at the kids, sir. We don't see bruises.
Okay. You now need to see the house is
Can
clean.
we see, can you please turn around? Can we see your backs? Because their bruises are supposed to be on your back. I'm sorry.
You don't make people listen.
That I'm gonna get.
Okay. Do you see any
And
bruises?
I think-
Do you see any bruises? Like not a single bruise.
People aren't watching, right?
I mean,
Are you willing
Just making
to
sure people aren't stopping them.
yeah, absolutely, 100%. But I'm not going to do it.
You don't
unless
make a
guys have
spectacle of
warrant.
stuff, especially with kids.
I'm just asking you if you're not gonna do it. you're not
I
gonna
use
do it.
medical marijuana.
Do you have a medical
Yeah.
marijuana? Can we see the card?
Absolutely.
And can we have a picture of the card?
No. What? You guys, this is ridiculous. The state has my card on file. You can literally look that up. It's attached to my driver's license, my medical marijuana card. I'll give you my patient ID, but you're not taking a picture of my identifications. Why are you giving me? Okay, can somebody come look at this lady's face and her facial expressions and the dirty looks that she's getting? This is a medical marijuana card. This is my.
Using a copy of that?
You have a copy of it. It's attached to the state.
It's okay. You guys can do that. I mean, I haven't
No,
done
no, we
anything
don't.
wrong. I'm
No,
just
we
in
don't.
this statute, and that's what
You're good.
I'm supposed to do.
We got it.
Okay.
What else do you need?
I told you what the
You need
allegations
to go
are.
clean
Anything
house?
else you want to?
Sergeant Herzog, Sergeant Hoffman, please come on in. I'm going to show you guys the house, make sure that's all clean. I'd like it on body camera so that way there's no other discrepancies.
Sure.
Come on.
I think Stephen just promoted you.
Can I start?
I'll show you your room.
Steve, where would you like me to go, sir?
Can we
This
first
is
start
this.
with the kitchen?
What's wrong with the kitchen? You can
We
see
want to
it.
make sure there's adequate food.
Oh, yeah. Come on.
And you're working in this area?
actually some paint on the floor and on the girls. Yeah.
Girls. We don't have anything that would be illegal for the kids that they can get in.
No, everything's locked. No nails, nothing open.
All right. And this is your food pantry?
This is my food pantry.
Anything inside the refrigerator?
Sure. That's cool. Not even alcohol.
And on that side, sir?
Yeah.
Thank you. And then is this your meat carriage?
This is a meat carriage, but also a ice carriage.
Oh, that's good. You have adequate running water and that sort of.
Yeah, I even have a reverse osmosis system because those poor girls need to drink fresh drinking water.
Okay.
There's their 2 water bottles, number 3, number 4.
Okay.
So let's start with this is where they spend most of their time.
Steve, do you wish us to come up
Yeah,
there with
come on
you?
up.
Okay. It's a respect thing, man. I gotta ask you.
Go ahead, girls.
Girls, go. You guys go first. I see a giant dog. That is awesome.
Their craft room. That they get to make as many crafts as they would like. Oh, clothing.
Okay, let's go to the clothing now.
Sorry. I love the giant dog, by the way. That is awesome. Is that your
Concerns. Have I dispelled any of your...
So much, and you refuse to
I didn't refuse it.
This is yours to keep.
I didn't refuse it. I told you I would sign it
Any
later.
questions or concerns, you can just give us a call, and we can answer any questions.
Have I
for
dispelled
you.
any of your concerns?
For right now, yes, I don't have any concerns right
Okay.
now.
Now, can you please apologize to my daughters? Please, for your attitude.
Whatever I have done to you young ladies, I do apologize if I did anything to
She was polite.
offend you.
You were
or-
kind, and I appreciate your patience. You attitude with the situation. These are my babies. These are my life. So you coming in here and making allegations that I harmed them is like you're breaking my fucking heart. And I would like for you to get the fuck out of my house.
Okay, that's fine. I do apologize if you feel that way. I'm sorry, but I did not do that. I
Please
am
get
not
out
trying.
of my
I
house.
will leave. Thank you very much.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. And can I give you guys the badges number? And I-
Absolutely.
we'll get
Yes,
that
ma'am.
taken
Give me
out.
1 second. I'll bring it all out to you, and I'll bring you the same information.
Thank you.
Can Matt come in, or do you?
Yeah. There you go.
Hey, Matt. Yes. Can you come on in? Deep breath. No. Hear me out. Deep breath. I know. I'm a dad. Deep breath.
These are my babies, man.
I know.
And I know the house can be messy once in a while, but
Dude, deep breath. Deep breath. I have kids, so deep breath for me. But I don't want you getting too upset in front of the babies.
I know,
That's why.
I'm
So
trying.
that's why I'm like, dad to dad. If you want me to walk over here right now, we'll talk for a minute. Just vent, comment, yell at me, and then because
these guys are amazing. They're
kids are awesome.
better than I deserve.
We've met them before, remember? So, but again,
Wait, no, let's walk out real quick. Let's walk outside.
okay, but you're okay.
Yeah.
They're
You like
okay.
Elsa? Yeah, they're fine. I just need to step out for a minute.
Okay.
I just want to be out of the house.
No, I know, but I wanted to make sure you were okay. And if you need to vent, but that's why things like this get emotional. That's why we want to talk.
unacceptable. In my mind,
I got you, man. This is a dirty thing. When this happens,
and I would let them in. I would let her in the first. I tried doing that the first time, but then she's like, allegations of abuse. You need to sign this. Now I'm scared.
Yeah, and again, I can understand both sides. I'm going to get you our information today with the P number for the call number because there was a call generator. We have nothing to do with the DCF thing. You know that. Okay.
I hope not.
Well, let me rephrase that. Nothing that I know of. How's
Okay,
that?
fair enough.
Right? Nothing that I know of. So if you give me just a minute, Steve, I'll get you a card with the number on it. They asked for the same information, so I am required to give that to them too. And you know
Absolutely.
that. Can you give me just a minute?
Sorry.
I keep thinking. Oh, I'm sorry. I thought somebody was asking me for information. I'm like, I'll tell you. I promise. Hey Josh, what's your ID number? OC what?
OC 1289, sir.
Thank you, I knew that.
What's your name? Is getting to be too much?
Ma'am, this is my name. The other officer is Officer Hoffman. Do you need his name and both our ID numbers also?
Is your badge number on here?
Yeah, I'll write it on the back for you if that's okay.
But we can't get you to write down. Very professional of them to give them your name, their names, right?
Give me one. Can I
You
lean
can
on your
write-
car?
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
You can put it right here.
Not trying to blind you with the light or
No,
anything.
man, you're good. You don't have to. You know you're good.
Yeah, it's a respect thing, brother.
No, I get it. No, I got it, man. But we're good. You know this.
That's my ID number, and then the other officer is Officer Hoffman. That's his ID
Okay, and
number.
you're Orange City?
Yes, ma'am.
right?
Orange City PD. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Absolutely.
And did you have a case report number for us, or incident number that we called you, or response number? Can
Yeah,
we get that?
absolutely. Give me 1 second. I'll go write it down for you, and I'll be back with the same information for Mr. Sanders in just a second. No problem. Ma'am, what this is the event number, which is the call number. It starts with that P Papa. It was generated on this date at this time.
Okay, thank you so much.
Yes, ma'am. Absolutely.
What's your name?
But when are you implying that I wasn't nice to you? I've been very nice to you. Asking what's your name is just a typical and professional type of question.
Is being mean to people?
Yeah, that's not mean. Oh no. You think what's your name is a mean thing to say? Jeez.
You're terrifying this morning. I terrified her.
Because you're turning nothing, someone asking your name, into a threat. You said threatening. What are you talking about?
You should use your words more carefully.
Then go ahead and leave, honey.
We write her a ticket for being parked in front of the fire hydrant.
So was that her name?
She was parked in front of that fire hydrant. I know.
She's moving on.
I know.
They're both moving on. So give me 1 second. I'm gonna get you all the information because you need the P number today.
Oh,
right?
I know.
Okay.
And the reason I had you guys come in with your cameras, like I told him, now it's all documented.
That's fine. And like I said, we're going to document something very briefly today, but it's not a report because we don't have any report that I know of.
Understood.
So all we have is the call number, which is the P number, which I know you know what that means. I'm not trying to talk down to you. You know
I
what
know, brother. I appreciate it.
Force I have it to try to explain it though.
Yeah.
So give me 1 second. I'm going to write all that down, and we'll talk in for a minute then, and then I'm going to get out of your hair and let you enjoy the evening with your babies.
Thank you. Yeah, I got a Five Guys sandwich in there I'm ready to crush.
You might have to reheat it. So I'll get you the card. Can I ask you all a silly question? I know you know me.
Yeah.
Do you need a card as well, sir?
love a card.
Absolutely. Can you give me just a minute? I'll get a card with the same information for Mr. Sanders and for you. Okay. Absolutely.
I'll let you go.
Give me 1 second. I'll be right back, guys.
So I'd like to say right here is a good time, better than any. The two officers that came out that night were professional beyond belief. I want to give them a huge thanks, and I've already personally thanked them myself, and let their supervisors know. As you guys know, I'm not easy going on these police, as no one should be, and this is the type of interaction you should expect every time, no matter what the situation. And I think that the lady that came or called them was definitely surprised to see that the officers
weren't quick to jump and arrest me or defend their honor, but they were just there to make sure that nothing devolved into any kind of chaotic mess. But as you heard him say, Mr. Sanders is completely safe. So, now I do ask him here in a few minutes, if wondering why I was circling things, is could he write her a ticket for being parked in front of the fire lane? Now this was more of a low jab on the two DCF folks, but I was grumpy, so it is what it is. Thank you, Sergeant Herzog and Officer Hoffman.
At this time, I'm going to be turning over a card to these gentlemen in my video, so there's no further evidentiary value as there's no other action taken, and I'll be shutting my camera off at this time.